Hi everyone, welcome back to Hari's Educational Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about participles. There are three participles. They are present participle, past participle, perfect participle. Here, present participle, we start the sentence with V1 plus ing or being plus V3. If is, am, are, was, were are there in the given sentence, we can start with being plus V3. Otherwise, we will start with V1 plus ing only. And past participle, we start with the sentence, we start the sentence with V3 only. Perfect participle, we start the sentence with having plus V3 or having been plus V3. In the given sentence, was, were are there, we can start the sentence with having plus V3. Otherwise, having plus V3 only. Hope all of you understood the three participles. Let us see the steps. There are 4 steps to write the participles. First one is read the two sentences carefully. Second one, identify the subject in two sentences. Third one, if the subjects are same, we have to remove subject in the first sentence. If the subjects are not same, we have to use the subject in the first sentence also. Observe these steps and let us practice. First one, present participle. It suggests the meaning because of, when, while. So present participle means because of, when or while. Here we can begin the sentence with V1 plus ing or being plus V3. For example, the thief saw the police, full stop, he ran away. Here we have to write this in present participle. So present participle can begin with V1 plus ing or being plus V3. If was, were, is, am, are there in the given sentence, we can begin with being plus V3. Otherwise, V1 plus ing only. So we have begin with V1 plus ing. That is, verb is saw. V1 is see. See plus ing. Seeing the police, the thief ran away. So you have to begin the sentence with V1 plus ing. So here it is V2. You have to change it into V1 plus ing form. Seeing the police, he ran away. Here the two subjects are the thief and he. Both are same. So we have used this one time only. Otherwise, you have to use two subjects in the two sentences. Next one, it was very cold. I stayed indoors. Here, observe the two sentences. Here the subject is it. Here subject is I. So different subjects are there. You have to use two subjects again in the answers. So here was, were are there. So you have to begin the sentence with being plus V3. It being very cold, I stayed indoors. Next, she did not help me, I did not help her. Here, she, subject, here subject I. You have to use those two subjects again in the answer. The answer is, she not helping me, I did not help her. Right. Fourth one, he completed his homework, he went to bed. Here, present participle for this is, completing his homework, he went to bed. Here both in two sentences, subject is same, so we have to use in one time. Right, let us see past participle. It suggests passive voice. It begins with V3. Here we have given 4 examples. Let us see the first one. She was beaten by Ram. She went to the station. Here past participle should begin with V3. So the answer is beaten by Ram. She went to the police station. So you have to remove she was and start the answer with beaten, because you have to begin the answer with V3. So beaten by Ram, she went to the police station. Raj was being beaten by them. and then the police arrived. So here observe the two sentences carefully. Subject is Ram here, Raju here. Here the subject is police. So you have to use these two subjects again in the answer also. So Raju being beaten by them, the police arrived. Here why we have used being is was is there. So it is in passive form. So to mention that you need to use again being. Raju being beaten by them, the police arrived. Next one. She was accompanied by her sister. She went to market. Here simply you can begin the sentence with V3. Answer is accompanied by her sister. She went to market. Here you no need of using subject again, because here the subject and here in the second sentence subject also same. So you can use the subject one time. So we have used the subject here. Next, he was born in a rich family. He got that opportunity. Here also two subjects are same. You can begin with V3. Answer is born in rich family. He got that opportunity. Hope all of you understood past perfect. Let us see perfect participle. It suggests the meaning of cause, concession. So you can begin with having plus V3 or having been plus V3. I already explained you. If was were are there, you can go with having been plus V3. Here we have given three examples. First one, he worked hard for 2 years, so he passed the test. So here was were are not there. Simply you can begin with having plus V3. So the answer is having worked hard for 2 years, he passed the test. Here you need to remove the conjunction, so you should not use the conjunction again in the answer. Ram attacked him, so the police arrested. Here conjunction so you have to remove, and Ram here the subject, here the subject is the police. So the two subjects are different in two sentences. You have to use these two subjects in the answer also. Answer is Ram having attacked him, the police arrested. Third one, the guest left, so I went to office. Here also two subjects are different, so you have to use these two subjects in the answer also. The answer is the guest having left, I went to office. Hope all of you understood perfect participle also. Here I have given you one question. The question is, he studied well, he got first rank. Try to write this in perfect participle. Those who know the answer, you can write the answer and post it in comment box. Thank you. Thank you all for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.